Wetin happen? I did my own, as all of us they walk out the street of Facebook. And I see and say, I think it's Abba that posted it. Say Dion arrested his worker in No True TV, something like that. I dey see your call, Mensing. I dey see your call. Now because I did on live video, now make me never pick. If I after this live video we'll talk. Ha! I say God, what did they happen? Man, no like it's like I called because me and Albert also sometimes we do talk. Because Albert is somebody I respect a lot because of his honesty. I see him as a honest person. I said, what did they happen? Who be that person? They say, you know, what did happen? Because I know that the guy is the guy that is managing himself. You understand? I know say this is not a person where they manage. When I hear say they arrest him, the only thing I did, I said, oh, Albert, please try your best to help him out. I never still talking for back na Facebook here for still write as status that I say, please don't leave him alone. This ungrateful human being where they talk so. Please don't leave him alone. Albert. Albert is somebody who know they join anybody, fight anybody. They even this matter they be want me Albert join the fight you. But Albert na person will get brain. Even if he with Dion get problem, they go if you want to talk to them, go talk to Dion. That is what I respect about Albert, and that's like the kind of person I am. I'm not say because I hate one person, I can't join you, go the fighter. No. What is good is good, what is bad is bad. I will say it. You understand? So now I just tell you and do start to tag Albert Obaze. Say I beg, not leave this boy. I beg, do all you can to help him, including the guy where he comment here just now where be sky handsome. That's why you see me just like the way I talk to her. I say I beg, they your lane. Because any man where they do like any man where they carry phone, they call for back, they talk nonsense or they gossip like women. I know they respect them. Now my life is that. I'm saying it. I don't like it. So I can't even sit there that why we want to help this boy now. Why now? Because as you see me, so I hate oppression. Why would Dion be oppressing this guy? Why would Dion be oppressing this guy? This one way they can't talk to me, so I can't try everything. Even white, you don't see change your name. See, I'm now. Tell your grandpapa they can't pay my bill. I get bills to pay. I can't be dating a sugar daddy. And my sugar this sugar counts go there low. For what now? Happy Sunday, sweetheart. I'm coming, guys. Guys, please just hold on. Wow, this life, they will just they talk something when they say you don't want they follow them they talk again. They will come they think say maybe na then talk pass. If to say as you just talk now, say maybe I no want answer you now. People go say now you talk pass. Now make me no want answer you. They no say I just want to ignore your foolishness. So, I'm trying to bring out our conversation the first time so that the Onsage go remember when he arrest him, because me I don't feel remember again. You see, I store in name. I store in name as Ino TV the Onsage S boy. Maybe that's why my children don't come. Man, lead off for me. Yeah? Was? Yeah, there is a man and Nata is in the kitchen yet. They come später. they come to house. Okay. I even think that my children come. Now their friend they ring bell. We want make them come play. I even think that my children come back from church. Because my children went to church. Today is Thanksgiving in the church. No free go, Jerry. So they go church. Now their friend they call them. Now yeah, for say yes, I know they make me contact. Now I know they fight. I want please Enoge. If I please Enoge is my brother. If I have to choose between you and Enoge, I'll choose Enoge. If I have to choose between you and your Prissy, I'll choose Enoge. Because Enoge is my own. Me, I don't know now. So then I not even get in contact. I don't know her before. It be like saying now Albert give me contact. After Albert come write me say they don't leave her. Because I don't know her before. But when I just see they say Dion arrest him, I feel bad for him because I know when he was working with Dion that time. So I know saying guy we just they try to grow. This one no enough you not get money to follow Dion do case. So I was just seeing it as an oppression and I felt bad for him. So I just pleaded with Albert to please help him out, which Albert did. Albert now released him, helped him get the freedom. Which story later we follow him? That one not go talk on today. Because me and Albert talk. So when Albert don't tell me say they don't free, and I say I may give me a number. This was 9th of June. 9th of June 2023. Hello Ino, how are you? Congratulations. I'm so happy. Wait. Hello Ino, how are you? Congratulations. I'm so happy you were able to get your freedom back today. Abatobaze told me how their plan was to take you to Abuja, but God passed it. You see, huh? Now see what I did, right? 9th of June 2023. Oh, Mona can't tell me where I for offend Ino. You understand? God bless my brother, Albert Crack Team Boss. Una they see, Mona they read them, oh. Mona they read what I write, oh. Una they see, if now feel screen touch, I'm on a screen touch, is it a bad thing? When I do, I'm so happy for you. Okay? Okay, please try and do a short video to appreciate him. I will also do a video to join you to appreciate him. I'm so happy for you. Mona read that for Mona they read what I write. Now see what I write on behalf of Albert. I was so happy. I was so happy that Albert was able to help him. And he said, thank you so much, ma. God will bless you, ma. Please, ma, your name. You don't know me, oh. You see, huh? Please, ma, your name. Now they see, huh? Because I never had anything with him, ever. Now they see, huh? When I can't say, now they read what I write, see where for ask me, say, please, ma, your name. You see, huh? Now I say, he said, please, my your name. I said, Megan Prenat, Mama Precious Meg. He said, okay, mommy, thank you so much. You see, Una see, this is not my kind of thing. This is not my kind of thing. Because I know they like what I do for person. Make I can't they talk am. After that time, we did not have the contact again, no. Until one day, he can't send me message. Mama Meg, happy Sunday to you, ma. Your boy loyal. Now they see, oh God, did I really need to be showing all these things? You come and say you can't give me warning. Me, you know you were. Me, I've sent you money. When they go your court, you say you not get transport to go beneath you. All the messages are here. You go call me. I go send you transport. Just to support you. But when I see say you they go court, me matter finish. You see they continue the insult person where they carry you, they go to court to get more evidence, so they carry to they push you out, go. Now I stop to send you money. Now I stop am. Now I stop am. You even at a time you send me some videos that they wanted to kill you. That assassin call you, say they won't kill you and all that. I say, really? Has he gone to that? I say, please be careful, oh. I say, if that is the case, leave Benin, or you say you did Abuja. From there, you say you see market when I carry con that time I offload, I come post am for Facebook. Say you like to come start afresh for Abuja, you want buy clothes, you want count some clothes, go say which are all these my clothes. You went to my shop, you counted all these clothes last year. The next thing I could see, you say you not get money. All the voice record I hear, I don't feel like. But do I really need to be playing it? It will get to that, then I will have to play it to the world. Everything there here is here on record, which Prissy also know. The next thing I see, clothes where you use when the corpus is scammer, clothes where you count from my shop with shoes. You begin use and carry picture. I see say you wear one, take carry picture, put for Facebook. I tell you, sir, my dear brother, you don't sell the clothes. You say no, sir. You never sell clothes. Now you start to use and they carry picture, put for Facebook. You say that one and the one where you buy for yourself. Say you go pay. Say you then plus the 2 where you say you sell. Come be 3. The 30,000 till today. Today, tomorrow. Did you pay me? I bet you are calling person somebody scam. Is that not a scam? Even when I say, may you return the clothes, since you not sell them again, before you could return it, it was war. You even they insult me. That was when Prissy came in. Then I called Abatabaze. Abatabaze told me, say, before I do business with you, why I not fair tell him? Because he knows the kind of person you are. Now, live video for the talker. Why? That was a big mistake on your part, Meg. I say, out of pity, say won't start from somewhere. You want make you not go enter streets, begin do nonsense. Now I give a market, say go say. And I'm see how much I take give you. If you sell and pass that one, it's none of my business. Did I do wrong? My market was with this guy for more than 1 year, till last 2-3 months here, before he returned my market since last year. If I play the audios for honor, the way when I don't want to insult her because I'm a mother. They mama me for voice notes. Mama. Just because you want to please somebody so that they will think you are fighting for them to get stomach infrastructure, some money. If it will give you, go give you 100,000 or 200,000, which is like €100, £100. Is that enough for you to sell your pride? Sky Handsome is aware. You really played a matured role that time. I was aware. What did I do? What did you say in one talk? Which scam I scam me? Now you scam me. Last month, yeah. Now you still tell me, say you don't go open where you they cook, they say. Say, I beg, that money. You don't postpone. I say, I beg. Say, you go. Now you're not supposed to call Dion scammer because you are also a scammer. Not only Dion. If I should play everything, yeah, what transpired and all, with the business I gave to you to go and say, don't say you give me 10 kobo, just to upgrade you. Does that cloth, you still carry the cloth come that day? It's not complete, but I don't care. I don't care. Then you come, they tell me, say you they want me, Meg. Me. You wear Facebook cover many things, sha. And you go come and they call you Mila. You don't have the right to call you Mila because you are also Mila. How can somebody give you say you want to do business, now you cry, come. Not be me can call you. Now you contact me. Everything is here. And as they send them for me, I they forward them to my other phone. In case you delete them, so I will get them for other phone. So that's why I have everything from day one. Because I know people like you. I gave you business for 1 good year. The only thing I could see for you to be wearing the clothes I gave you to sell, to take pictures and put on. Oh, you want to impress. You are the really, really ungrateful human being. The day Prissy, ability will stop sending you money now. Now so you go still come out, go and sort down. It's only an ingrate. Now go say me person come a coward. Now go say me person come go they fight for my figure. Me, I don't need anybody to fight. Except I just want to ignore you. If not, I get this my mouth. I be Ted brought up. Now Ted is secular there for bring. Now for grow. Me and you not be mates. Scansom, let make me the verse for you now. Say whether you not see video, you won't know me. You don't know me for Facebook. You know me one-on-one. This trash, he reach the leg when I take match crown. If I come out now, stand for innocent front, can innocent raise up his head and look at me, eye to eyeball to eyeball? This unkept human being, my money there with him. I'll feed him. I don't send her money for food. I don't send her money for transport for a court case. I don't send her money to support him financially when he was broke. All the evidence and all the receipts are with me. I don't know her from Adam. You guys can see that I don't know her. Now even ask me what was my name. Because you don't know me, I don't know him. Upon that, because I see the way he was humiliated, and he still tell me, say, you know what, they stranded, saying get a girlfriend, fiancé, wife to be, and that one get shop, small shop, whether salon, so, he needs something to still they do, Buhari area for Abuja, na in they stay, and the house are very expensive there. Now, I say, don't come on, go Lagos, which I know is a full lie. I support. I'm a single mother. It is easy for single mother to they do give away to the support. The time when they come rant inside my inbox for my WhatsApp, you don't know say Prissy they exist. That why you not go meet and may they sponsor you? Okay, because I ain't been in new maga now. Now make you come the create for social media. They insult you, not insult you. Calling Dion Omila when you are an Omila. And I want to use this medium to talk to my dear brother Abat Obaze. I will call you later. I will send a message to you to report this case to you. Stay away from this your matter and this Prissy matter. Not be you go come fight for them. Not be you go fight for them. May everybody carry their cross. If you, as you have been dealing with Dion on your own with Dion case, just focus on that one. Not through anybody, which I know you'll be man will get sense now. If to say you not be man will get sense, if I don't carry for head since I see the way you say they ignore the matter because it not concern you. That is how to deal with cases like this. Now you can't say the time when they work with Dion, when Dion they give you cashier, he was a good boss because you don't come out for that. Why you not come out the time when they with Dion say na scammer? Now you don't come out for there, come they shout or mila. When you self do the same thing to me. If to say that is to tell you, say, I don't worship money. Not be that business. Not be I say they leave. If not, my business for not fit there your hand for more than 1 year. Without you not give me money. And the one where you still sell for inside, with the one where you wear for inside, till today I don't see the money for I. Why you not tell Prissy may help you pay the money? I beg, since you not be billionaire, you have my account number. Tell her make it transfer the money from my account. More than all of my carry while I go on side. You hear me? Make for my sake, forgive him. You know the way they go to imagine all the remnants when they watch on that day now. The refracts them when they watch on the lunatics when they watch on that day now. They go they clap on for her. They not hear my own. If so I just keep on quiet. I don't see this video. I don't see that. I don't see this video. If I see this video, you know I not get that patience now. I don't see her. Now my God, daughter, God will bless you, my dear. Eh? Just imagine. This one I feel because I don't feel on the talk for everything. Of course, it's last year too much. If you get anyone where you want to talk about me, come and say it, and I will come out and debunk it. All the evidence are there. When was the last time I spoke with you? I think it was early this year when I was telling you to bring my goods back. When you still almost insult me, put. Before that was the second time Prissy has ever called me again to beg me, say, "I calm down," because I said I was going to report the case to Abat Obaze, and I want to tell Abat Obaze to stop supporting you. When Prissy say, "Man, not go spoil your head for that, I might just leave you." I even because of her, say because she don't fair pressurize me, I can't let go. Come out, come they talk to more. Okay, Uzom, I'm telling you, poverty is a bastard. Eh, my number there, my pin here. My WhatsApp now, you don't call me for WhatsApp. Eh? See wahala. Everybody they know be today they start down na Omila na Abat na give Dion Omila that name. That person will still go the 4 victim now. Say, I can't the pity for her. Eh? What do we dey hear for Facebook every day? Eh? Abuda don't say they put sugar for a month. He go say no go lick him. Say they give me money. If he hear pen, my demo listen to the video when he do. Thank God say brother, yeah, brother Sky Handsome day. Make they listen to the video when he do.
You see how you take day?
Now talk pass.
Don't let me enter you.
Imagine. Imagine. Now who do you good then? Who you do good for now go buy you. Imagine. Imagine.
Don't let me enter you.
Imagine.
You know the story.
Yeah, which story, my dear? Wait it day.
You know waiting
day. Wait it day.
Don't let me enter your fire.
Which fire? They're not born you where. I said they're not born you where you know true to the. They're not born you where.
You get Prissy family talk show number. Why you no call? I see. You see.
What's so special about Prissy family talk show when I go call her privately?
The wonder whether I don't even go primary school.
You will go primary school. See you misbehaving here. At least before you on this video, listen to me. Before, if not me be you, as I tell they do my own thing. Before you will come on live video, come even they talk about me. You forfeit, make sure say you pay the debt where you they owe me. That's that to know a man where wants a man where really know in value. You they owe me money, you they mama me for phone, they beg me every time. And you come they rant, they talk to me and how dare you. Now you do good for now go, all can ziga you know True TV. You see why life not the best. Most of you like this. People like you will always remain a beggar. A beggar. People just go in what they scroll. Now they say don't reach a week way. And today night my goddaughter come they tell me. I never even know. And it's even a letdown to me, say you will do video about me, only 2,000 people now they watch for more than 1 week. For what now? This one when me do about you, so come in the next 1 hour, maybe you can see how many people go via. Eh? He say I'd for call Prissy family talk show. What you concern baby with overload? Is she my friend? No. What you concern me, concern her when I go they call her? Have I ever called her on private before? Why will I call her now? I just air my opinion as every other millions of people on social media. Why can't be saying that my own account take for inside? No, we are not talk no, where you Precious Meg. They talk, they rant, my they listen.
Now not come up for the Nigeria, now they for advanced country. Make you still get small brain.
See you when get brain. They talk, they always speak for social media. Your matter and your word, not the entire line.
This woman, a woman we don't do business with you.
And so what? Is she the only one that I ever done business with me?
I don't want to come and since then.
Talk waiting. You know many people don't patronize me.
Now,
how much is they follow me buy something when they never see before? You know many people don't patronize me with money where pass that one.
I don't understand how you take day.
Okay.
Now so I not give the fight with your wife. Because you find where you always want to do like say you cook. I
be very good woman and Enoge is my brother. If I not get on they pay you, eh? If now may not get on they pay you, Enoge is my brother, and I will choose Enoge over and over again against you. Who you help? Who you help?
You carry pots for additional content. I don't know say you do content.
This boy are really fool. He say I want please Enoge. I carry pots for head. I say I they do content. Advert of marriage. What we do for Enoge? Everybody was doing advert for Enoge's marriage. I also did my own way. You say you don't know that they do content. What if person never start before? Now one day they start. So that one now pot when I carry for head they do content. You see which way you did. You are very stupid.
You want to do content, you want to do prank. I've been away to say now you carry pot for head. Because now so madness they take start to Chris. Now so Chris they take starts. But I don't just want to talk too much for this video. Now one I can't warn you.
You are very stupid. You are very stupid. You are who saying you come and who you they fight for. You know where? Say you can't warn me. You are very stupid.
Did you call her to say, madam?
For what? Why will I call her? Was I there when they were friending each other? Was I there when she was giving the money to Dion? Are you stupid?
You now, Precious Meg. Say
you look me like who they bring himself down for one my fellow woman. I'll come call him to make her feel say she too much or what? Because she buy bag of rice and bag of curry from her hands. Are you okay? If you are that kind of woman that say your dignity is up to you, me, I don't say my dignity. You hear me? If anybody is patronizing me, say because you make a account, they use it, they work out for grant, or you send me gift, they give me money to support me, or you say make a account, they use it, you are on your own. Because I don't worship human being. Okay? I know they worship human being. And this is the last video I go do for you because you don't make sense. So why when you say my money will deal with you, go and pay it on my account. And don't be silly.
Or maybe two of them don't get something before. Because you yourself, Precious Meg, you yourself.
Mama Jackson Fia.
Waiting.
Mama Jackson Fia, I just left a message. Please don't reply this here, boy. Don't give him any attention. No, I don't want, no, because as he said warning, I for just ignore him because he wears, no, it irritates me, you know. But because of say, I just want to give points. Because when they say scam, because that says scam me where he talk. Lolo talk on that day for a video. Which me and Lolo, I don't explain Torah on this thing, on WhatsApp. Why I just scammer? When I say give me money, not seeing goose. When I say he pay money, say he goose take 1 week. He pay money today, the next day. Even some, most of his goods, the goods where that woman buy from my hand, I already delivered it before she paid me. Some of it are here. I will still tell you how many days. She will say her account manager is the one delaying. You understand? She did not. There is no business that she paid me before I deliver. I already delivered the goods before she paid me. Ask her. The evidence are here. The evidence are not the videos my sales guy and my sister was using to deliver the goods are all here. She did not even pay me, say, I pay you now and my goods are the way to. No, I always deliver before she pay me. Before I will get credited. Ask her. This is live video. Why you going to tell me, say, I go to call Prissy? Prissy is not my friend. She's just a customer. And she can decide not to patronize me again, which is very fair with me. No problem. Because as you see me so, the last time I checked, if na bag of rice when you want to follow me back, or come close my mouth, I beg, carry and waka go front, because my mouth will never close. If I want to talk, I will talk. I'm a woman of my own. I not be woman when never touch money. How much more say now? Can't see 100,000 naira, my head go come big. You know how much way we don't touch for Europe?
You don't tell me. You know what you don't tell me about this only land. Where they go, they comment for different places. They call.
Yes. Come and say it on live video. Not be today we know some Mila or Mila be waiting to say na scammer. Why will your sister go and fall victim? Why will your sister go and fall victim? Now I ask you. Okay, I know say na thief, but he not thief me. Now waiting with the year for Facebook. He not thief me. I don't know whether na thief because he never thief me, but with the year for Facebook say na thief.
When this Omila they commit.
I don't know atrocity where they commit because they never commit anyone which way I did.
Now act of jealousy when you the jealous Prissy family talk show.
Hey. I never watch and share. You say the jealous Prissy family show so. My dear, come. The last time I checked, is there any bill that Prissy family church is paying for me? No. Has she ever gifted me 1,000 naira extra? No. So, what do I want jealous for? As a woman, where I stand, she's beautiful on her own. Me, I'm a queen on my own palace. As you see, when now height, God give unto me. Now body, God give unto me. Everything when woman supposed to get for this earth, I get them. So what do I want jealous for? Tell me what I want jealous for. Like seriously, are you insane? Are you okay? Say the jealous Prissy fan. God, the last time I checked, I don't even know whether somebody like that there exists until she come patronize me. And since when she patronized me up to date, we not get anything in common. I don't say because she patronized me, I go they write her message, private message, or I go they worship her for what? God, you forget to me says now, madam, man. Are you okay? If you don't know Precious Meg, ask people who know Precious Meg. May they tell you who be Precious Meg. Not be back to come the rants. I make 100,000. I make 1 billion. I me when not get 100,000. My work benosariye me na seneya here eh. This body where God give me so. Not go there. Jealous waiting. It's people like you that can worship people that come to say they have money. Me, I know they impress anybody. Me and anybody know they do any competition. You got me? Ha. Woman who really get money, not they make noise. Who really get money, not they make noise. Me, I don't know what they call because let's say we office, although she are hungry people now, so they be shy. But that's why may God, anytime you are praying, your prayer point, let it be to cast and ban spirit of poverty. But poverty can make you be loyal to anything by thing. That's why they feel they give you $50, $20, $100. Me, I don't big past that level. If not be money where go shake the world like earthquake. I don't see, that will even make me say, oh my God, let me be loyal. You know, people I don't move with, they don't do things for me. If they just see fuck up, I just trash their fuck up for them. I don't care. How much more say person I don't know from Adam? Are you okay? Do I look like a hungry woman to you? Do you know how much is my salary? I earn more than 2,000 euros every month. Go and calculate it to Nigerian money. Not be the one where the father of my children, they give you children. Not be their kindergarten. You know how much they enter my account every month? Cool money. Where be say if I sleep, I will sleep in peace. I not get outbreak. You dey crazy.
Hello, this is an act of jealousy. When you the jealous Prissy family talk show.
Just imagine.
Because I see no reason why you know say this man a criminal, this man a thief. Then you they support.
Wait, oh, I don't understand. This man a criminal. This man a thief. Ojima sere ramaveti ojia. Dio has never stolen from me. But with the year for Facebook saying na criminal, but he never thief me. I don't fit tag him as a criminal. He has never stolen from me. And how is Dion different from you? But you have stolen from me. Because I gave you market. You can't cry to me that you need to start business. You counted market from my hand. Market I not see. Money I not see. Instead, you were wearing my clothes that I gave you to sell, to carry picture and put on Facebook. Oh, me not they pass that one. Then the other two that you said, the way you say you sell 10,000, join the one where you say you buy for yourself, where you take picture. If to say I don't see them for Facebook, because on Facebook I for see them, now I contact you, which is 30,000. You never give me, oh, but at least now, who is Omila between you and Dion now? The last time I checked, my 10 kobo not there with Dion now when they owe me. But my money there with you where they talk to me now. Where you they owe me. My money is with you. See what you still wrote from me to me recently. Since you say me would they prove, me would they open our nyash. More open now. Guys, this is 30th of September. This is 30th of September. This is Ino TV Dion Dion Sage S boy. My mama herself, good morning, how the family. Mona they read them all. My mama herself, good morning, how the family. My mona they read them. Mona screen touch and mona read them way. So they talk to me, oh, my mama herself. Good morning, how the family. Please, I'm supposed to send you part of the money. Please, 30,000. That big boy not fit pay once. He even say once he cut him into 2, say I'm into 3. Imagine when you can't call the carpet you me laugh for live video. I'm supposed to now you draw your leg come out. 2 years be never hear around this while. I be never come out and talk because I just look and say na chicken change. I'm too bigger than that nonsense. That money say I feel even still dash you, but you must pay him. I'm not go dash you. Please, I'm supposed because you are a friend to a billionaire now, so you must pay me my money. You should not feel pay and you feel tell your billionaire from me, give me it pay. If not, they can't do video, they drag you here. Please, I'm supposed to send you part of the money. Please, if I should remove any money from business like this issue, go day. I am just 1 month in the business and next month I'm going to court. Please just still give me little time. Nigeria things are really hard. Business is not going like that. Please, madam. You see they talk to me? At least make your billionaire friend they see your my conversation with you. Now they see 30th of September, yeah. I no answer am because now they hungry, me not they hungry. As I read and I ignore, I no reply, I no answer am. Because me, I too big pass, wait till be 30,000. When not reach 15 euro. You understand? So I just read that. Now that as I read and finish, I just say, Beg, carry your wahala, they go that side. You see the one we first sent for me August, the time when I tell and say, come, listen.
Hello, good morning. Long time. How you doing now, the family? I don't expect since this August say you write me. I never hear from you because you promised me that this August. So since then they wait, maybe you by yourself call me. And today now 26. Now I just remember it's August not finish. Now August now you promised me to return the money. So my phone no have far. But they have business, everything. I better get back to me. Thank you.
Okay. Now they hear. Then see what see who they talk to me. Oh. Some people no get shame, eh? See who they talk to me. He said thank you for okay, wait. This one now when the thank you for contacting Loadooh TV. Please let us know how we can help you. So wait, so when he listen to my message, please see what he tell me. Oh, that August 26. So.
What on man? I beg, no vex for me, sir. I never write to since. I beg, no just vex at all. I beg. You know, see that this month, although that this month I tell you, sir, I'll give you the money this month or next month, August or September. Then I tell you, I beg, just to give me small time. I beg. All what now they do never just click finish like that. You understand, man? I beg, just give me small time. Latest September. And I'm not I tell you say this month or next month. So I beg just to give me small time. No vex, I never write. Suppose don't write to man tell you see. Never begs for me, I beg. I just get one business where I just to put my money inside. That make me never fit. I never they get returns like that. I just open kitchen. So the money I just get never be just put for there. You don't understand? Especially just like that. I don't get anything they do get CP. Nobody they give person money. So the money I just do with me, I just start the kitchen, pay for the place and every other thing. I already start the kitchen already. So that's why I be like say I never feel reach out to you. So little money they mean I just package the kitchen and things. So I just start never even reach 1 week like this. If you even listen to the background, you hear music. I did for now lounge. So I just get one section where they cook. I beg just give me small time, I beg mama, I beg.
Now see who they come talk to Precious Meg for social media. Say he won't come open my fire. Me we get fire way long. See who they copy your Mila. How is this boy different from Dion Sage? Just tell me, how is it different from Dion Sage? Then listen to my reply. The same sister where content meets me say, a person of your day doing nothing. Hey, no get is priceless, my lady. My brother, see me, greetings, my lady. My brother, see you now because he want you, John Sage. They try to please you. Now make me. This boy is sick. All these things I never ever tell my brother one day because I know say if I tell Enoge must say, Mama, say that for me. Especially that time when they insult him during marriage. Even during that time, even insults me. The other day, I said because of Enoge marriage, I mean me when they draw my money. Say make I for because they insult Enoge. Every time like this boy they attack me because of Enoge. I don't know what Enoge do. I don't know what I do. I'll find that video now. Wait, they insult me say because of Enoge. Now me they can't draw money. Eh? Oh, you the whole person money. Now you sit tell the person the time we go sit there draw money. Eh? I don't fit. See am now. It's too much. My show now our conversation. See am. Now they see am. Message where they send call for me. Message. Now they see am. How many I go fit play? How many see notes? How many I go fit play? Oh. How many I go fit play? See who they say won't open my face. Yeah. Complain, beggar. When they beg, they go for inside WhatsApp. See, oh my God. See, so now wine, the time when she tell me about wine, no fear, not let me carry wine, give her. Because wine, they're expensive. Eh? How many? Wait, my still I say they go, never finish. See, now she be, now be this. I don't fit. It's too much. See who say won't come talk to me. I be mother. I be elder sister. I be role model to people. If me even play some kind things for you, that you're even Prissy where you they do boy follow now go even wrong. You go learn some kind things for inside this message. Say, they be don't go far like this. Now I be saying you need to be careful. go WhatsApp the mama you, ma, madam, yes ma, ma, they go the mama you look where mama marry. They will come enter Facebook and they do. See the way this way they talk like say me with and God that do any secret hide. And if to say I ignore her, I would like to ignore her, but I said no, I don't want to ignore him. So I ignore this one. I go to say people go to say maybe he get what me with and God that do will make me want to ignore her. Because I really just say anybody will mention my name for social media. I don't want to be identified with you guys. You cannot be presenter. The person will drag me into live video. I don't use a build page. We don't still cut chain. Everybody don't face in front. Now when I be puppy, I'm no longer a puppy. Now I'm not a bulldog. Okay? If you come my territory when I not find you, I go bite you reach inside your vein. You can't get right to go do this kind of video. They throw mad to me. Moi. Street TV. Thank God say Sky Handsome they here just now. It's no how I tell know you. And thank God how you take ask of my name. You wanted to know me. Now you say, now you ask of my name. What is the name, ma? Thanks, mommy. It's here. I don't play out to people. They don't see her. Not be me writer. Prissy go just say making ignore now. Now go say una sabi talk for social media. My dear, from today, I want to put it up to you. Never you call Dion Sage or Mila anymore. Every other person can call him or Mila. They can call him scammer. But you, Truth TV, don't try to call him because now the tree way fall on Dion Sage. Now he lay branches on you. The same thing Dion is doing, you did to me. So you have no right to call him or Mila. Since you say we go dirty now. Not until you pay my money, you don't have the right to, because as you they owe people money now, so you they owe me money. I don't care even if it's a penny. I don't care if it's a penny. You can never see where thief go, they call you fellow colleague thief. You hear me? You know, and from today you need to respect me, if not for anything. For the fact that you sell my market, take chop. Because money I no see. Money I not see. But you know, explain all this one to your people. You get right, put my picture for your video. They say they want your head. You know where. Agbona boy. You know where. Anyway, let me first leave all this one for you first. Because if not, all the conversation from last year to this year, maybe if you come out and talk trash again, me and you not get any private talk where we they talk. We not get anything. Is that since when you even carry my market, go sell. Say when you go can't market for my hand, for my shop, say you won't go sell for Abuja, I'll be where you carry and go. Lagos, I'll be where. For almost 1 year, we not talk. So when after when I not hear from you more than 1 year, now I take call you say I come for market money after. You say you never see seller. You fail they play me say where you put on the shop where you put on the person travel come out go South Africa be where you say travel go. All the voice are here. Now scammer they pass that one. After much pressing when I don't press before you start to go carry the clothes. Now me even still give you money. You say before you go Webby and come for me, I need to pay Webby. I am the one that paid Webby. You see even everything they inside here, and I see forward that to they inside these two phones. Because I know a day like this will come. I forwarded all the conversations in case you delete them. I get them. Now me still pay money when you take Webby my own business come. If I see other money when I sent for Webby join the money where they owe me now, it's more than 30,000. And you say you be big boy. You say now you dey honest. You say now you dey truthful. You that can scam me. Now you scam me. Dion Sage no scam me. Now you scam me. You scam me. All in the name of now help I help you. 2 years, no year, but I dey draw my money now. Now insult you come they insult me every time. So I take God beg you. Don't ever call Dion Sage or Mila again. I'm not doing this video to support Dion. No. But you not get right to call. You are not in the position to call Dion Mila. Because you also now Mila. And I want to also sincerely apologize again to Abatobaze for not telling him before I gave you that business. Because he was so disappointed in me. Like, why will you do a thing like that? Out of pity. I said, Dion, they oppress the boy. And since he say he won't start business, he don't get anything. Now make me carry and give him. So you not know say Prissy did that. And why you not call Prissy me send you money to start business? Why you can't carry from a single mother hand? When you are a friend to a baby, you never know at that time. Bunch of ungrateful elements. Ingrates of the highest order. Kettle calling pot black. You carry your wahala go one side, Jerry. Don't get your time. So that's why I offended in that today because I not get time. I not be present. All these lunatics no fit come drag me into their yeye matter. He said na no get they fight for. He said I don't fair friend you. Is Dion not a man? You not say as the man, you not say as the guy fine. Not be make una they go toast am. Come carry a while go. Okay, my dear. Make I leave una. No gay, I'll call you right away. Let's talk. Okay? Before I'll call you, I'll first call Albert. I want to talk to Albert. I say my children don't come. I'll first call Albert. Then if I call Albert finish, I'll call you. No gay, we'll talk. Brother, sister, talk. Maybe now you guys will even come forward all these things, come give set me you come. Now you will come finish all the talk. Yeah? Wie ist das? Nein, da ist noch nicht da. It's not nicht da. This can't play with the first. So the pressure was their church. And then at Thanksgiving for church. You never come. Now, my children friends, they find my children, they come play. They never come for church. Might see whether they come. Are they even coming? Paul! Don't go. See my children, they come. My shoulder. Now they come for church. Our church not far. They from us, they see church. And they like church. My children like church so much. They are coming. You see them. You know if you from here see them like they see two of them, the Jews, they come for that side. When I look straight. After red car, they do back of one red car for oppositors. They wear red Adidas top. These two brothers, see two of them, the Jews, they come. My children. These are children. Eh? I have to speak up in your defense. Anwule, I have seen him on your platform begging and asking for things. I'm not your fan, but the truth needs to be said. Thank you, Anwule. You know, me, I'm one kind of person is that I don't have enough, fine. I don't brag. I'm not so rich, but I'm not poor. As long as you can pay your bills, you can feed yourself. My dear, you are a big woman on your own. Okay? I don't necessarily need to do notice me sadaka. Before I go, people go know say I get money. I don't get money to throw. So I go zoseka. That musician say if you say you get money, go fence your village. Imagine. I don't like doing this, but if I see any way I can support anybody, I will do it willingly. Because I also came from nowhere. But thank God today for where I am today. You understand? So definitely we are all coming from somewhere. If God tell me like 28 years ago, because I'm already more than 20-something years in Europe. If 27 years ago, God tell me, say, I go there where I did. Person tell me, say, I go there where I did today. I don't go believe. That is why you see me, I don't look down on people. Because of where I am coming from. You understand me? That was why when he just tell me saying need something, I was so happy to support him. See my children. See them. They don't cross. See them. Now see them. They are coming. See, they just see the G's. They don't even look up. See them. See them. They just the G's. My mother know they. See them. They just the G's. They don't even mind. They don't even look up. My mother don't even hold them at all. Now I go open door for them. They will open. I don't know whether Precious taking tea. You understand? You understand? So this life, we are all supposed to be our brother's keeper. You understand? We are also, but it's coming to come and say because you know they get from my side again. The new one where they get from now, you want John crucify who don't help you. That is a no now. It's a no. Don't saga or give him attention. For a grown man to follow a known Omila, he must be one. So exactly, he even duped me. I gave him business to go and he called me, he contacted me through Facebook. And I don't even talk, say, I don't know him before. I just say, okay, go and count. I called my sales girl, my sisters. He went to the shop. He went there, they brought it to him. He was the one calling. Then they count everything, they wrote it down. More than 1 year. More than 1 year, the thing stayed with him. It's like Precious have his key because he did not ring bell. Maybe he carry a key for nobody. You understand? And I did not care. Because I don't live on Nigerian business. My December business that I'm going to sell now, my foreign granite oil and foreign tin tomato that I used to load a full box and put inside container. They've not even offloaded it since 2 months. Like they ask. Because I say more than never offload and December, November and I start to offload and for Nigeria December business. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome. Oh, you brought something for me?
Yeah.
Thank you, darling. I was watching you when you were coming. See, mommy is on live video.
Hello, guys.
For you. Hello, guys.
Mommy, we bring these bonbons because we can eat it with Nutella.
Oh, that's fine. Can I taste it? So, how was the Thanksgiving in church today?
Good. It take a little bit long because there was rice there, and we took rice and eat.
You eat rice?
Yeah.
You guys are enjoying it.
And then we wanted to take 3 Fanta, but then it was run out.
It was run out.
Yeah. And then I saw Profidon taking like a whole pack of Sprite. I said, can I have one? He gave me.
Yeah? That was good. And church was fun, right?
Yeah.
I missed out. I missed that. Did you guys pray for mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Please also don't encourage your brother to saga. After wedding, they should do clean content. Saga is sick. Exactly. No, don't you see that my brother is going into entertainment now?
First time you're doing live video this year.
Yeah, first time I'm doing live video, right? Because I don't have time, my picking. They want to drag my leg out. But I'm not going to give them attention. My son is telling me first time for me to do live video. See me sitting down here doing. I'm a busy mother. Yes, I be a single mother when don't know herself. And wow. I agree to know. See what my children bring come for me for church.
Well, it's actually for us because you don't like sweet. We eat it. If you want to take the Nutella, you put it on a plate, you put it in the microwave so it melts, and then we dip it like in and eat it.
I don't pull your t-shirt. You did not greet my friends today.
Good afternoon, mommy's friends.
We are going to do another video later for Precious Nathan to appreciate those that celebrated him yesterday. Thank you guys so much for celebrating Nathan yesterday on his birthday. We say may God bless you all. But Nathan wants to do a video. He has something to tell you guys. As you guys can see, he's just coming back from church. So I will let him rest a little bit. We'll come back later. Then he will come and appreciate every one of you. God bless you guys. Love you. Bye-bye. Thank you everyone for supporting, for joining in. God bless you.